for them to pay damages for all the inhuman treatment they've subjected me to since 2022 that I left the service. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Witness. During the pendency of your employment at Ikeja Electricity,
Yes, sir.
what was the mode of communication?
The mode of communication majorly is through email, electronic communication.
Sorry. Beloved?
I don't understand that.
I was just asking an additional question.
I don't understand. What gives you the right to do so? Please give me the provision of the rules that entitles you to do so.
What was this one?
No, you don't need to be sorry. We are all learning. Do you have the right to do that under the rules?
No, my lord.
To do what? The witness evidence in chief is limited to adopting his statement on oath. You can't do anything other than that. You file a reply, you refuse to file a statement on oath. Sorry. Any more? Is that the end of the case for the claimant? Are you sure of that? Very sure. Witness. You have 2 witnesses. Did you file 2 witness statements? Have you filed an application for subpoena? So that's all for the witness in chief. How many minutes do you need? How many minutes do you need? I won't give you 30. No, you can't come back. You must finish today. The maximum you have 15 or maximum of 20. So if I were you, I would go to the most important questions. Your time has started. 10:33.
Notify to the defendant's defense. You said that you acted as a group between the Basco Hotel and the electrician who connected the hotel's defendant's electricity.
Acted
as a middleman. You can get that to actually the car. Hello, witness.
Registrar, please come. Mr. Adesonwo.
Sir, my lord, sir.
Let counsel for the defendant.
Yes, sir.
Ask you a question under cross-examination.
Okay.
You have to listen to him and answer the question as truthfully, as briefly as possible.
Okay, sir.
We are mindful of the wave, so you have to listen very attentively.
Okay, sir.
You muted yourself, so he can't even hear you. Yes.
Oh.
You're muted now.
So, yes, witness. I was saying that paragraph 4 of your reply to the defendant's defense, you stated that you acted as a middleman between the Basco Hotel and the electrician that connected the hotel to the defendant's electricity grid. Yes or no?
Permit me, sir, my lord, for me to answer that with a brief explanation, sir.
No, we are still coming. You will come and explain. Let's because for want of time, let's restrict ourselves.
Okay.
Please sit down. Sit down. What are you objecting? He has not gone beyond the rule. Allow Mr. Adesonwo to do his case. Mr. Man, these are your processes before the court. Even the court is entitled to look at your processes, so long as they are in the file. You can apply to withdraw it and counsel will not ask any question. Are you withdrawing the reply to the defense? Please, Mr. Adesonwo, go on with your.
Yes, sir. Thank you, my lord. So I was saying that you mentioned that you acted as a middleman between the Basco Hotel during your tenure as the manager of the undertaking. You acted as a middleman between the Basco Hotel, who is a customer, to the defendant, Ikeja Electric, the electrician, for connection of the hotel to the defendant electricity grid. That you serve as a middleman between your employer's customer. You introduce your employer's customer to an electrician that did the connection. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Now, is it part of your job role as an undertaking manager? Is it part of your job role to serve as an agent or middleman between your employer's customer and a third party? Yes or no?
No.
Good. Is it part of your job role?
Counsel.
Thank you, my lord. Apologies, my lord.
Yes.
Now, Mr. Harrison, I was asking that, is it part of your job role to facilitate your employers, customers for purchase of electricity materials for the purpose of connection of this customer to the defendant electricity grid? Do you understand the question, or I should
I don't even understand it.
Okay. Now, I was saying that in your witness statement on oath, you said you facilitated.
Paragraph. And the last question was on paragraph 4 of the reply.
Yes, my lord. My lord. Apologies, my lord. My lord, the relevant paragraph 5 is relevant, paragraph 7 is relevant, 5 and 7 are the relevant paragraph.
No, paragraph 5 of his oath.
7, facilitation. The claimant have had that he also facilitated the installation of an industrial size, blah, 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 prepaid meter.
You refer to the statement on oath.
With rest, this one is even in their okay,
The
so in the
on
statement on
when I
oath,
was appraised by
that
the
is
customer.
paragraph 8, my lord. Paragraph 8 of their statement on oath.
Yes.
Then also the relevant paragraph is also paragraph 4 again of their reply.
Which you have dealt with.
Yes, my lord. So I'm asking further questions based on that as well.
Yes.
So I said that you mentioned in your witness statement on oath, paragraph 7 and paragraph 4 of your reply that you facilitated.
Paragraph 8, counsel.
Paragraph 8, my lord, apologies. That you facilitated the purchase of electrical materials for this customer for connection for the connection of the customer to the defendant electricity grid.
That's not what you said. Paragraph 8 reads that I facilitated the installation of an industrial size prepaid meter.
My lord, sir, industrial size.
Not purchase.
My lord, I'm coming to that, my lord. I'm coming to that. My lord, he mentioned that the purchasee was also the one that was instrumental in the purchase of this meter.
We are not arguing. If you are referring the witness to his oath, please refer to the appropriate paragraph.
As the court pleases, my lord, as the court pleases. My lord, we will still rely on paragraph 4 of the reply, also talking about connection, facilitator, purchase of materials. It's there, my lord, in their reply.
Yes.
Thank you, my lord. So, witness, you said in your paragraph 4 of your reply that you facilitated the purchase of electrical materials for this customer, for the customer to be connected to the defendant electricity grid. Yes or no?
Yes, but I said I have so much explanation to that, but you said no.
We will come back. We'll come back to your explanation. But let us just get it straight first. Let us get the issues, then we will come back to come and explain.
What explanation do you have?
Okay, sir. My lord, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, my lord. The reason why I said I have for every customer that wants to get connected or any intended
particular customer. So you have to
yes,
be
I'm saying. Okay, yes, yes. For this customer, the customer approached me that is as at then it wasn't even a customer, it's an intending customer that he is building an hotel and he will want it to be serviced. And that is the process for customers to come to us, to the office. So I refer the customer to a contractor in which he said that since he's a friend, I should introduce him to a contractor, which was what I did. That's all I did there. For me to introduce the customer to electrical contractor who can assist him to get all the materials that are needed. And that is, yes. So it is.
Now, did you disclose to your employer that you facilitated the purchase of electrical materials for this customer, the Basco Hotel? Did you disclose that to your employer, yes or no?
No.
Yes.
Now, you stated earlier on that the customer approached you as the manager, undertaking manager, managing the area, the franchise area. Now, when the customer approached you for connection, did you advise the customer to submit a formal application for connection of electricity to the defendant's grid? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now,
yes.
Now, did you disclose to your employer, to the defendants, that you collected some amount of money from the customer, from this customer, for purchase of electricity materials and for connection and supply to the defendant's electricity grid? Yes or no?
No.
Hold
You
on,
collected
hold on. Yeah, ask the question so we're sure. But you know it's not.
some money were paid into your account by
No.
this customer. Yes or no?
Money was not paid into my account.
Recap.
I said money was not paid into my account.
Very good. Money was not, no money, no single money, kobo, was paid into your account.
The only money that was paid into my account was when the customer wanted a meter. It is the
Good.
responsibility of a customer to get his meter. He called me
Now,
as a
hold on. Don't let us miss our road. Let's just be focused. Now, you said the customer, the Basco Hotel, paid some money into your account for meter.
yes.
Now, during your term as the manager, did your employer permit this? Or is it permitted for a customer to pay money for meter into a staff account? Yes or no?
No.
Yes.
Now, you said money for meter was paid into your account. How much was paid into your account? And who paid the money? Confirm it.
I think it was 200,000 or 220, 200,000.
Pardon?
I think it was 200,000.
Okay. Who paid the money?
The owner of Dabusco.
That's the customer, the defendant customer, isn't it?
As at then, like I said, he wasn't yet
He wasn't yet a
customer,
customer. Okay.
yes.
And a potential customer to the defendant, isn't it?
Yeah, a potential customer, yes.
Now, should I proceed? Now, do you know one Solomon Ugochukwu?
Yes.
You know him. How do you know him?
Okay. Solomon Ugochukwu happens to be a staff of Ikeja Electric and is in the maximum demand section.
Then was a staff then, isn't it?
As at the time, I know him.
At the time, he was a staff. Good. Do you know that this Solomon Ugochukwu was dismissed from the defendant's employment for gross misconduct? Yes or no?
I don't know, no.
Yes.
Let me put it again. Let me put it to you again. Do you know that Solomon Ugochukwu was dismissed based on the ground that he retrieved a 40 meter from a particular hotel in Abule Egba and sold this meter, this 40 meter to you for you to install into the Basco's hotel? Yes or no?
No, he never sold any meter to me. He never
Okay.
sold any meter to me.
That is fine. That is fine. That is okay. You said you didn't sell any meter to you. No problem.
Yes.
When this money, you said the Basco Hotel paid money into your account, you said 200,000. When we get to the page, you will cross. Now, this money that was paid into your account by your employer's customer, the Basco Hotel, you paid this money into Ugochukwu's account, yes or no?
Yes.
For meter, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, will you be surprised that the meter that was retrieved from the Basco's hotel that you assisted the Basco to buy was not a new meter? Yes or no?
I don't know about that.
Okay. You don't know about it, but you assisted him to buy. You pay money to your account.
You
So
should,
you
and
don't.
that is the reason why I said
It's
that.
okay. It's okay. It is okay. Let us
it-
go on. Don't let us waste time. It is okay.
because I have
You said
those
you
ones,
don't.
the questions you asked me, that did I pay money to? Yes, because the man was approached was informed to get a meter. He called me as a friend. So he now told me that he does not want to deal with anybody. Do I know anybody who can assist him? It is the responsibility of the customer to get a meter. And I only contacted this guy that this is the people in charge of metering. The man said, okay, let me give this man. That was the only thing that I did there. So how the meter came, how they installed, how anything, I don't know about it. That is why I said most of the questions were asking me yes or no as explanation.
You said you don't know anything about the meter, but did you buy the meter? Was it installed?
I just told you now that I don't buy meter. The customer himself was the one that was informed by the new management that he needs to get a meter, in which he called.
No, Mr. Adekunle, don't let us deviate
No, I'm
from
not
the fact
deviating. I'm not
issue.
deviating. You are
You
putting me.
said that
You
you
are not.
paid money into your account, and I asked for what purpose. You
I
said
I
for meter. Shey, is it that you did not buy the meter, or the
I
customer
I
went ahead
I
after
have
paying
just
money to your account to buy the meter by himself?
I have just told you now that the customer, after I had left that place, the customer wanted to be connected. The undertaking.
We have not gotten to connection.
You are
Wait, we have not
no
gotten to
now you are,
connection. We are still
because
coming down. We are coming there. Let us on the issue of
that was
meter
what
first.
no
They gave
no
you money
that
to
was
put
what
something. Did you do it?
hold on, that was what brought about the money that was paid to me for
That's the
me
reason
to
why I said.
assist you.
Now, the witness, will you be surprised if you see this meter produced in court? The meter that was retrieved from the Basco's hotel that you assisted the Basco to purchase. Yes or no?
Sorry, rephrase again. Will I be what?
I said the meter that you assisted the Basco to purchase. Will you be surprised if you see it produced in court?
Well, I will not be surprised because it's led for Ikeja Electric for if based on what you have just said now, if they retrieve the meter and the
Will you be
meter is
surprised, yes
provided,
or
no
no?
problem.
If you be
I will
surprised,
not be
tell us. If you
surprised.
not,
Do not be
good. So
surprised.
let's move on. Now, when this customer, the Basco Hotel, approached you for connection, it was subsequently connected without due process, yes or no?
It was not. He was never connected. We only string the line because the Basco Hotel was not in operation. It
Hold
was not
on,
ready for electricity.
hold on. It was not connected.
Yes, it was not connected to the grid. They only string the line. There is
Okay,
is a two different thing.
I
Connection
know.
and stringing are two different things.
Now, will you be surprised that when you were transferred from that undertaking office, the incoming manager met the Basco Hotel connected to the defendant electricity grid? Will you be surprised?
I will be surprised because there was no supply there.
No, you will say you will be surprised. No problem.
Yes.
I put it to you that during your tenure as the undertaking manager of What's the name of that you're undertaking? My Lord, I'm coming. I'm sorry. I think Ijayi, yes, Ijayi undertaking office. During your tenure as the undertaking manager, you assisted the Basco's hotel to be connected into your employer's electricity grid, and it was using free supply without payment and without an account, no documentation, yes or no?
No, because it
No
was not using
explain,
supply.
just give us yes. If you
I
know, you
said
know. If you
no, it
don't know,
was
you
not
don't
using
know.
supply.
What do you say?
I said no because it was not using supply. The place
It
is as
was
not
yes.
using supply.
It was not using supply. It was never connected.
The place was not using supply because the place it
Okay.
was still under what's it called, under construction.
Do you know that by virtue of the fact that the Basco's hotel, you assisted the Basco's hotel to unlawfully and illegally connected to the defendant, to your employer's electricity grid. The defendant submitted a petition to the State Criminal Investigation Department against the Basco Hotel for electricity theft and tampering. Yes or no?
Yeah, I
Are
got
you
to know because
aware or you are not?
yes,
If you are not
yes,
aware, tell us.
yes, because they invited me. Yes.
Good. So you will now agree with me that the Basco Hotel was stealing electricity belonging to the defendant as at the time you were the undertaking manager of Ijayi undertaking office. Yes or no?
No.
Now, you were aware that by virtue of the petition against the Basco Hotel for electricity theft, the Basco's Hotel, the owner, Mr. Olalekan Adesina, was invited. Yes or no? Are you aware?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you also aware that Mr. Olalekan confessed to the police and submitted documents that he paid some money into your account for connection, purchase of electricity materials, which was the reason why you were invited by the police? Because you said you were invited. Yes or no?
I wouldn't know if he I wouldn't know what he
Or you were
submitted.
invited.
I was invited.
Good.
I was invited and detained.
Hold on, you were invited. And you attended the police station.
Yes.
Auntie,
Yes.
can you remember the dates of your attendance? The date you attended the police station? Can you remember?
I will not. I can't really
But
remember that.
can you remember the month?
I think that should be September 2022 or October. Yeah, I think
Okay,
September.
all right.
Your time has lapsed.
My lord, sir, I still have
My lord, I have not gone anywhere. My lord.
You are reiterating one question.
My lord, I wasn't.
Spend 5 minutes on one question.
My lord, my lord, sir. My lord, I applied
Let's
for
have to also take benefit of today.
as the conference is, my lord. That was the reason why I said maybe I should just take a few minutes and then I come back, my lord.
Don't do that. You'd have asked for an adjournment from the start. You have had 25 minutes. You asked for 30. I've given you 25.
My lord, yes. My lord, this is a very sensitive issue, my lord.
I'm very sensitive about it. It's the same case. Please go ahead. You have 5 minutes left. So make use of the 5 minutes.
Now, you said that you were invited in September. Now, I put it to you that after you attended Panty State CID and you were confronted with the evidence, you immediately tendered your resignation letter. Yes or no?
That is false. Because I had already resigned. I had left. It was after 3 weeks that I was invited. Okay. So I resigned in August 26th. My statement with Panty, you can confirm that when that statement was written, when I was invited.
When did you resign?
I resigned August 26, 2022.
Now, I put it to you that you resigned from the defendant's employment during the pendency of an investigation that is pending against you for allowing a customer to steal from the company or for conspiring with a customer to steal from the company, to deprive the company of its revenue. Yes or no?
That is no. That is false because I waited for after.
No, yes or
no. No, because I resigned on health ground. So that was false.
Yes.
Now, I will be correct to say that in tendering your resignation, you didn't follow due process, yes or no?
I followed due process.
Oh, yes, okay. You follow due process.
Yes.
I put it to you that in resigning, you did not notify anybody. You just lock off your office, your work tools, you put everything in the office, and you were absent from work for some days. When they called you, Oga, why are you not coming to the office? You said you have resigned, that you are no longer coming again, that the key to your office, you asked them to go and take it somewhere. When they opened the office, they saw your what's it called? Your working tools, everything inside your office. So I put it to you that you did not do proper handing over when you were resigning due to the investigation that is pending against you. Yes or no?
That is false.
Is in our so.
Two last questions, please.
Wow.
You've done your 30, you asked for 30, you've gotten 30.
Yes, my lord, and I said that, my lord, sir, in the interest of justice.
2 minutes going.
Lord,
2 minutes going. There's no justice here. You already had justice. You have 30 minutes, that's enough. There are many people waiting to have advice too.
Because my lord, sir, I don't want to say that I'm confused now because I don't even know where to start from, where to. My lord, sir. Because there are a lot of questions that I want to ask the witness. But I would be so grateful if my Lord can allow me to come back. My Lord, just one more adjournment.
Questions around them.
Now, I'll be correct to say that. Okay. Now, are you aware that your OMC, that's the Operation Network Manager, was also dismissed from the defendant employment due to the unlawful connection of the Basco Hotel? Yes or no?
I'm not aware of that.
You are not aware. Are you aware that
The name of the man's position?
OMC, Operation Network Manager, one Fadipe, Madam Fadipe.
Yes, your last question.
Now, I put it to you that because you allowed the Basco Hotel, your employer's customer, to be connected unlawfully and illegally to the defendant electricity grid, you have breached your terms and your conditions of employment.
That's a conclusion that I should make. That's not the legal conclusion.
My lord, sir, my lord, sir, I have not gone any. My lord, sir, I still have more questions.
Mr. Adesonwo, I asked you to ask your last question. Can you ask the witness your last question? Look at your pleading and look at their pleading. The issues are very narrow. Even though you have 1 hour, you cannot finish. That's the truth. If I give 1 hour today, you'll not finish.
My lord, I will finish. Certainly, I must finish.
35 minutes, we are still here. 35 minutes.
My lord, sir. Now, witness, are you aware that there is a commercial service process manual that is meant to be the procedure for connection?
Where is the manual?
My lord, sir, it's in our pleadings, my lord.
Where is the manual? You're asking a question on a document
my lord,
that has not been tendered in evidence. Can you do that?
My lord, sir, it is part of our...
Can you do that?
My lord, sir.
We are referring to a document, and that document is not in evidence.
As the court pleases, my lord. Now, I put it to you that you failed to inform the Basco Hotel when you were approached for connection. You failed to inform the Basco Hotel the procedure for connection of a new point load customer as contained in the defendant process. Yes or no?
Come again. I don't. A point is not a point load customer, so I don't understand where that one is coming from.
Is it not a MD customer? Is it not a maximum?
That is why you are making a. That's why you are making a mistake. A maximum demand can be an electric customer and can be a point load. So it's either of the two.
So okay. So get the context of my question. I said you failed to inform this customer of the procedure for connection in accordance with the defendant's process. Yes or no?
I informed him of the process.
Do you know whether he complied before connection?
Like I told you, I said there was no connection. Connection. I've told you that
There
connection
was no
is
connection. Good. So you are
there was no
maintaining that there was no connection.
connection. There is stringing of lines is different from connection.
That is okay. Now, for purchase of electrical materials, you registered a company, yes or no? A project company.
It's not my company.
It's not your company.
No.
Do you know one Adebiyi Adesanwo?
Yes, I know him.
Who is Adebiyi Adesanwo to you?
He's a brother to me.
Is Adebiyi Adesanwo a contractor?
No.
So why did you give the account number of the company that Adebiyi Adesanwo is a director to the Basco's Hotel to pay money for purchase of electrical materials?
The company in question belongs to somebody I know. So if
The company belongs to
I
somebody
don't,
you know.
if they pay money,
And you are using,
I'm not using Adebiyi Adesanwo. So if Adebiyi Adesanwo is the director there, he is not the managing director of the company. The MD of the company, and that is the name on the account of the company, is not Adebiyi Adesanwo.
yes, it's the name of the company to which Adebiyi Adesanwo is a director.
So I don't know if Adebiyi Adesanwo is the director of
Hold on. Okay, it's okay. But you know this company, you are using it to trade. Anytime you are being approached by your employer,
I don't know. I don't know when you said I'm using it to trade.
if the customer is a MD, maximum demand customer,
I don't know. I don't know what we are talking about.
Your contact.
Thank you, Mr. Adesanwo. Thank you very much.
I don't know what we are talking about.
Thank you.
My Lord, sir. May we come back at my Lord, in the interest of justice, my Lord. My Lord, we are not done.
By my calculation, we have done exactly 38 minutes. So that's sufficient. Thank you. You still have your witness. You can do the rest through your witness. Thank you. Please start date, please. Mr. Man, so you have a witness, or that's the case for the claimant? You have one witness. Richard, give me a date. Give me the same. Please send it to General. Thank you. This case is adjourned to 20th January 2026 for continuation of trial. Witness your discharge.
Okay, sir. Thank you, my lord.
Please call the next witness. Which one is your case?